It's a new beautiful hot day in India. In today's episode, you will hear me without microphone due to the bumpy ride we had in the previous episode. We broke it. So for now on, we have to work with what we have. Therefore, this is the fort, and in today's episode we are going to try something interesting that I promised to you in the previous episode. So if you haven't seen it and if you haven't seen how I broke my microphone, go check that out. And we are going to try like a local 100% local experience, and I'm super excited because three interesting things are waiting for us. The first one, we are going to go to somebody local house to a house of a local. The second thing is that we are going to see them cooking, and not only we are going to see them cooking, but we can also cook ourselves Indian food. And the third thing is that we're going to eat that food, so it better be good. So we are going to put our effort into making something good. I think we should enjoy more the sunny weather, because sometimes since we're in the monsoon, it can rain anytime. So I'm super happy that it's sunny, but it's hot. It's hot. We're waiting for the car, and I can't wait to take you with me. I'm super excited. I don't know how it will be. We had a chance to try some local food in here in the morning, and yesterday evening. I'm curious because they have many types, many dishes, and I feel like it's pretty complicated to cook it. I've discovered something very interesting about India, and it's the fact that 90% of the population is vegetarian. So every time we go to a restaurant or every time we're having a meal, we have a lot of vegetarian options, which I think is so interesting. And not only that, they are a lot, they're also very diverse, and all of them are tasty. The food here in Rajasthan region where we are right now is by default traditionally spicy. Therefore, it's a bit of a challenge for us, but there are dishes that are not that spicy. We will see how spicy the food is today, so maybe I can add this to the challenge as well. So the fourth thing is that we are going to eat the food that we cook, and we will see if we can resist the spiciness of it. This fort is located in the middle of a local village, and we are going to take the car to make it to the village and to the house of the person where we are going. This is the car. I'm taking you with me. I love the AC inside the car, and I'm very excited because I've never been to a local house before, so I think this is very interesting. Thank you so much. Okay, we made it. I'm getting out of the car. Here is the house. Here is the entrance. Oh, it's so beautiful, traditional house. Let's go together. Thank you. At the entrance. Hello. Namaste. Here is the fire, how we used to do it in our old houses. The lady is doing a local dish in here, which is like a sort of a bread. This is a traditional house in the region, and I wanted to show you this bed. This is a traditional bed that we have, and all the houses have a similar bed. Now, if we want to enter this area where we eat, we have to take our shoes off because it's a sign of respect, making a difference between the place where you eat and the place where you sleep or where you cook. This is where we are going to sit. We have a table, we have AC, traditional experience, 100%. I think that's very similar to the present that we do for Christmas, because we also blend and mix with water and do it like almost the same. So I think it's a very interesting and pretty unique experience. Okay. I didn't do the mixing. I think it's the easiest part, this one. The easiest one. And I think more.
More bigger.
More. So, what do we have here? We have a main dish, Rajasthani dish.
This one with milk.
Milk.
Milk and rice mix.
Milk and rice. It's
Some sugar mix.
some
and
sugar.
Sweets.
Seeds also. So it's a sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. And this one is salt.
Pulse.
Buns.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
And this is pumpkin.
Pumpkin inside. Pumpkin. Vegetable. And this is the bread we just made. And this one,
What? Buttermilk.
buttermilk. This is us trying the food. So, look at this, so crispy and green. Simple, but very tasty.
Did you try the rice with milk?
No, I didn't. So we have almost the same dish we were saying earlier. Almost the same dish in our country.
Yeah.
Milk with rice. So good.
It's sweet.
Same taste like we have.
The difference is in our country we eat the milk and rice cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is
Sometimes
cold.
we eat it hot, so maybe I think in Romania we eat it hot and cold, but in Arab countries we eat it cold only. So it's nice to have them both ways. And let's also try the pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. It's supposed to be a little bit spicy. Very nice. Like a fresh salty salad.
Very good. Yeah.
But so good and so flavorful.
Did you try this one?
With
The bread?
vegetables. Yeah, the bread is nice. Very nice. We have so this bread is the normal one plus butter. So it has butter inside. They opened it a little bit and then added butter inside. Good.
This one was very spicy, so I needed butter.
Spicy. And
This one pulse. Pulse. Pulse.
But
Pulse called.
okay.
Its Indian name is Dal.
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 Indian name is dal. This is dal. Okay. Let's try it. Very nice.
Do you want to try this one? The red?
I think it's spicy, the red one.
No, maybe it's something sweet. Try it.
Yeah, I'll try. So we have like a dot of red on the table.
Try a little bit. Very
It's
little
like,
bit. No,
I'm
no, no.
saying
A little bit. A little.
I think it's spicy.
Very sweet.
It's good. It's good. The spice.
And these are-
What is interesting about the Indian food is that first you feel the flavors. There is an explosion of flavors in your mouth because of all the spices used, and then you feel the spiciness of the thing. And if you don't feel the spiciness of the thing in your mouth, you feel it in your stomach afterwards. This
Yeah.
happened to us so many times.
So,
But the flavor is so good that you want to keep eating. And I don't know if this is also common in India. So we have this sort
yogurt
of
or milk. No, this is one is milk.
Yeah, milk. We drink this in Romania for spicy. I think this is why we also have it here. Because if it's too spicy, then you drink this and you don't feel it so much. From over here, there is a beautiful view over the fort, and there's also a cow house over here. Oh, they're so cute. Hello. And that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below how this experience sounds like for you and if you'd like to try it. Stay tuned because in the next episode we are taking the train from Jaipur city to Udaipur, a new city in the same region in Rajasthan region in India. With this occasion, I will show you how the train looks like in India and what you should know before taking the train in India. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more adventures around India and in Asia in general. You can also turn on the notifications to make sure you don't miss the next episode. Stay tuned for more and I will see you next time.